Hello everyone. Today, we will explore a fun problem about bells ringing together. 3 bells ring at regular intervals, one every 6 minutes, another every 8 minutes, and the third every 12 minutes.
If they ring together once, after how many minutes will they ring together again?
In this video, we will find the solution of this problem from the basic, so watch till the end of this video. Now we will go for the solution of this problem. First, we will find the ringing times of the 3 bells. The first bell rings every 6 minutes, at 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes, and 30 minutes. The second bell rings every 8 minutes, at 8 minutes, 16 minutes, 24 minutes, and 32 minutes. The third bell rings every 12 minutes, at 12 minutes, at 24 minutes, at 36 minutes, and so on. Looks at the times where each bell rings. Can you find anything common in all 3 bells' times? Looking at the times carefully, we can see that all 3 bells ring together at 24 minutes. So, we have found 24, and this is the time when all 3 bells ring together, and it is our answer. We solved this problem from the very basic method by listing the ringing times, and we got our answer, but we have something to think. This method always works, but it becomes time-consuming when the numbers are larger or when there are more bells. So, let us think, what exactly is this number 24? 24 is a common multiple of the ringing intervals. And it is not just any common multiple, it is the smallest one. That is why we call 24 the least common multiple, or LCM. We could directly find the answer to this problem by finding the LCM of the bell ringing intervals, 6, 8, and 12. We can find the least common multiple of 2 or more numbers in many different ways. Finding the LCM by prime factorization is one of these methods. We will find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 using prime factorization. If you don't know how to express a number as its prime factors, comment below. We can write 6 as 2 times 3, or 2 1 times 3 1, and 8 as 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the power 3. And we can express 12 as 2 times 2 times 3, which is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 1. We will consider the prime factors with their highest powers. Here, the highest power of 2 is 3, and the highest power of 3 is 1. So, the LCM of these 3 numbers is 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 1, which is 8 times 3, and that equals 24. You have solved the problem using both the listing method of bell ringing times and finding the LCM by prime factorization. Now it's your turn. I'm giving you a similar problem to solve. 3 bells ring at regular intervals. One every 4 minutes, another every 6 minutes, and the third every 9 minutes. If they ring together once, after how many minutes will they ring together again? Solve this problem using both the listing method and by finding the LCM of those intervals, and give your answer in the comment section. If this video was helpful, then like and share it. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.